Alright guys, we are talking about gaming on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This thing packs in a ton of new features. But before we go and check it out, just to let you know, this video is sponsored by Spigen and we have some awesome, cool surprises for you at the end of this video. So watch all the way through, stay to the end, and let's jump in. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a behemoth of a device. This packs in a 6.8-inch display, which has the same body ratio as the Galaxy Note 9. It's a lovely looking display, whether you're looking, of course, at that Midoriyama wallpaper, which I'll link for you guys down below. But it's got a centralized front-facing camera, which will be important in your gameplay sessions. So stay with me. As I mentioned, 6.8 inches, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with 12 gigs of RAM and either 256 or 512 gigabyte variants plus micro SD card expansion. Now, other things to note, it's got fast charging up to 45 watts, so you can charge and top up for your gaming sessions right there. And this doesn't have a headphone jack, so you'll be using wireless audio. But it's got built-in speakers, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos there to give you, of course, some really good sound. Once I get the device in hand at home, I'll do my speaker test, so stay tuned for that. So what about gaming? What's so important with this device in gaming? 855 processor, giving you some really solid performance, but it's got some new gameplay features. It's got that new game center we saw on the Galaxy Tab S6 that gives you better AI features to monitor how you game. So it adapts the processing and system to your gameplay, of course, sessions and how you play your games. Now, the other cool feature on this is the screen recording. Now, you're going to say other devices have screen recording. This is different with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus because you can go ahead and record your gameplay up to 1080p, but you can record your mic when you're talking in front of that front-facing camera, because you can capture that while you're gaming as well. What I loved about it is that this thing didn't heat up when you're doing those two tasks while gaming and also recording screen and capturing my face in front, which is pretty cool. Now, the other awesome feature, which I didn't get to check out, but I will, and I'll show you, I'll give you a full dedicated video on this, guys, is something called PlayLink. PlayLink is the ability to download a piece of software on your PC and being able to stream all your PC games. I'm talking about games like Division 2, of course, games like Doom, any PC game on, doesn't matter what you're gaming on your PC, directly to your Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is absolutely cool. It's mind-blowing, it's insane. I can't wait to check it out. But let's focus on gaming on this device. We installed PUBG on here, and you guys, of course, will be waiting for that. We got to play it at its max setting, and I got to tell you, I was thoroughly impressed. But you know what? Take a look for yourself. There is no gameplay audio because it was noisy there, so enjoy some of the gameplay here. Not too much crazy action, but this should give you an idea of how well the Galaxy Note 10 Plus actually does in gaming. It's impressive. This is an impressive device. That display is gorgeous. It's a QHD display. games look vibrant on there, and the ability to, of course, the 855 to max out, everything ran really smooth. You're a PUBG fan, you play on mobile, you're gonna love using this device because it just totally maximizes your gameplay. Plus the ability to screen capture and record your screen, plus of course use the front-facing camera is totally awesome. I love it. I was just impressed with that feature. So I might be doing some more gameplay clips like that. You guys can see how much I die in my gaming, and I'll post it on my gaming channel, Board Gamer, for you guys to check out. Now, overall, I think this device is awesome. It comes in multiple colors. All of them are called Aurora. So there's Aurora Glow, which of course is that shimmery silver one. There is Aurora White, Black, and a special edition Blue, which is available either at Best Buy or Samsung.com. Internationally, you get the red and the pink, which look absolutely amazing. I'm jealous. I want that red color here in the US. But those are the colors you get for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and that of course adds to the gaming experience you want to get. I think this is an awesome device, so a lot of gamers should be impressed with what you get with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I did mention the surprise at the beginning of this video, and the surprise is simply this. I'm giving away a Galaxy Note 10 with two of my favorite speaking cases. That is the Rugged Armor case and the Neo Hybrid case. Courtesy of course Spigen. So you get to win that. Very simple and easy. Use the link down below and go to our tweet and follow Board at Work and Spigen on Twitter, and don't forget to like and retweet the tweet itself, and you'll enter to win. We will announce the winners on Twitter. The giveaway will last for about a week or so. Of course, the time frame is there on screen for you, and that's pretty much it, guys. So go ahead, enter to win the Galaxy Note 10 so you can enjoy your own gaming experience on this awesome device. I'm excited to see what this device brings and offers in the future, and I'm going to do a full gaming video for you with, of course, more gameplay, audio, of course, giving you temperature testing, all that fun stuff. So let me know top 5 games to showcase in that video. Of course, PUBG will be one of them, and Fortnite, which I am terrible at. So leave those comments down below. Hit the link, enter the giveaway, and if you have any comments or any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.